hit the wrong button to zoom.
It's okay. The zoom is...
Yeah, well, I accidentally turned it off.
That's fine.
It's okay, I'm recording it again. Ooh. Rain.
And if you're in video and you push this button down, it'll focus it.
I can't see your fingers in my way.
Okay.
I'm just looking for rain. Driving and see their countryside.
Oh, the horsies.
Where's the horsies?
Horsies.
Oh, the horsies.
That was a great one.
There's the wet horsies.
Sometimes helps that A, I don't really know where I'm going, and B, I can barely see.
It's cool.
Yeah, we were in that.
I know where we, I know where we are.
I know where we are. I don't know how to get where we need to go. I think we just kind of stay straight.
I think we stay straight for the rest of the time.
I don't know why we ended up on that cobble.
Huh? I gotta zoom in on this.
I'm pretty sure you saw the camera too.
I attempted.
Watch, these cars are gonna go flying past. Nana. These ones over here.
Boom!
Ooh, we're hydroplaning. Damn. I'd open it up, but...
What? It's pouring! Bye-bye, car.
See, that's one thing I like about the wipers on my car. You have your speed, and then you have a hypo speed and a hypo speed.
This is a long car ride.
It won't be so long if it wasn't raining.
If we knew where we were going.
I still don't really know where I am.
God, look at this! I got that alright, honey. Ooh, I got that too. If your cameras were waterproof, I'd stick it out the window and hold it there.
I would love that.
But it's not waterproof. I don't want to wreck it.
Can you feel that pull back?
Yeah. Yeah, boy.
Alright, I kind of remember where I am. Not really.
Ooh. Lighting.
Hey,
Busch Gardens?
yeah, I don't think we're...
Going the right way? I never seen
No,
this.
because we didn't go this way.
Oh, hold on. Hello? We're a little lost.
Heading towards Busch Gardens.
We're heading towards Busch Gardens. Yeah, I know. We got lost going to the hotel
I'm
too.
go into the quality end here.
So yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, hold on. I have to turn this recording off.
Yeah, go.